Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to blind carbon copy someone on an email. So blind carbon copy basically means you're going to be sending it to another email address. However, no one receiving the email will be able to see the addresses that were sent to in the blind carbon copy field. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the recipients field up at the top of your email and just go ahead and left click on that. And then select the BCC button. You can alternatively tap the Control, Shift, and B key on your keyboard as well to launch that new field. So go ahead and select the BCC button. And then at this point, go ahead and copy and paste or just type in the email addresses you want to blind carbon copy in here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.